Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a spiced hazelnut bubble tea. Now the first ingredient you're going to need is cinnamon, vanilla powder, hazelnut syrup, creamer, you're going to need your shaker cup, and for the toppings we've got tapioca pearls and whipped cream. Let's get our tea. So your first step is to get 200 milliliters of black tea. So you grab your scooper and you want to add 2 scoops of creamer to your black tea. There's 1. And there's 2. And then what you want to do is you want to grab your vanilla powder and add 1 scoop of vanilla powder. And once you've done that, you want to give it a good stir. And then once you've done that, you want to add around about half a scoop of cinnamon. And then after the cinnamon, you want to add 2 pumps of hazelnut syrup. Then what you want to do is you want to add 1 scoop of ice. You want to add enough ice to where you get to the point on the cup of just under 500 milliliters, as you can see. And then once you've added your ice, put your lid on and give it a good shake. And then once you've given it a good shake, you want to grab your cup and add 1 scoop of tapioca pearls. And then pour your drink in. And then once you've added your drink, you want to grab your whipped cream and whip cream the top of it. And then grab your straw. And there it is. There's your spiced hazelnut bubble tea. Thank you for watching.